Good evening. It's May the 13th. That's Tuesday night. Oh, about 6 p.m. at night. We actually have things growing in our garden. So I wanted to show you this. So the potatoes, these are the early red potatoes here. And we thought the cats had pretty much destroyed the beans. There's a few coming up. The onions are looking really nice. And the other potatoes, which ones are these? These are not the Eva. These are the, I think, Canada Gold. Instead of Yukon Gold, Canada Gold. There's the other onions. And these would be the Eva here. So those are grass clippings around them. And then had to replant peppers several times. So I don't even know. I made a list and now it's pretty much wrong. Except we still know the first row is hot peppers and the middle row is mini peppers and the last row is sweet peppers. But other than that, yeah, there's been a lot of replanting. And we're hoping wheat will come up there in the back. And I think I'm going to plant some. I've saved some flower seeds from last year. I may just put flowers over there as well. This is another row of beans. I don't think they're... Oh, hey! They are starting to come up. There's one. And then tomatoes. The health kick did not come up. So we had to plant a different kind of Roma. We will see how they do. What are they called? Mariana, I think. Mariana. More tomatoes. Cages, straw. We had some really windy weather that took a toll on our poor peppers and tomatoes. And that's the last row of tomatoes. And then, oh, looks like my sage is just about ready to bloom. Yeah. Over here is the corn. Yeah, the corn is coming up. Stan did a little manual tiller thing. That looks good. And yeah, the asparagus kind of got out of hand. I've had several meals of it, which is enough. And then over here, the cucumber seeds were a couple years old. They did not come up. So we had to go buy plants. Not the kinds I wanted. They're not the mini cucumbers, but we will have to make do. And then we have 4 cherry tomato plants, which is kind of crazy. This one's called God Love. It's supposed to be a little bigger, like a 1 inch by 2 inch. And we got a couple yellow ones and I think a smaller red one. So we'll see. And I got a bunch of flowers planted last night. So this is normally where I have seeds, but now this year I have snapdragons and marigolds and, oh, since my basil didn't come up, Stan bought I think it's called boxwood basil. So it's kind of like globe basil. So we'll see. There's also some seeds in there. Don't know if they'll come up. And this is the green ice lettuce. And you probably can't see it too well. There's the Lola darkness lettuce there. Okay. We'll show you the little cherry tree. And then I think that is it for today. Well, there's not as many cherries on here as I thought. Huh. Anyway, this tree bloomed a little bit before the big wind, and so it will have some cherries. The big cherry tree, pretty much nothing. I think the wind blew all the pollen and blossoms off, and that's it. The peaches, keep an eye on them, but it looks like we should have some peaches still. All right, that is it for now. Hopefully the next time, things will have grown even a bit more. Thanks for watching.